Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by protecting yourself and the surface. Gloves, eye protection, and ventilation matter. Once done, test a small hidden area with your solvent to confirm paint and finish compatibility. Next, dampen a microfiber with 90% isopropyl or acetone. Use acetone only on durable finishes. Gently soften the paint pen mark with a few seconds of solvent contact. Do not scrub yet. This loosens pigments so that when you act, you remove the paint rather than damage the clear coat. You now focus on lifting the softened paint. Soak a microfiber and dab the mark, holding each dab for 10 to 20 seconds so the solvent penetrates. Then, with light pressure, rub in small circular motions to transfer pigment to the cloth. For thicker blobs, use a plastic scraper at a 30 to 45 degree angle to gently lift layers. Keep the area wet with solvent while scraping. If residue remains, switch to a milder solvent and repeat, so you preserve the underlying finish. You finish by removing any solvent and residue. Wash with mild soap and water, then dry completely. Once clean, apply a small amount of non-abrasive polishing compound to restore gloss. Work in overlapping passes until the surface matches surrounding areas. Make sure to seal protection with wax or a clear coat touch-up. If you notice haze, discoloration, or the finish looks dull, stop. That indicates finish damage. In that case, test a repair on a hidden spot or consult a professional before proceeding further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.